Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. I'm showing you our sky. It's June 9th, 2022. Almost 8 o'clock. Like 5 minutes to 8. Take a look at our putrid sky. None of this stuff looks natural. It's been put here, dumped here all around the moon with fallout. It's been poured here, guys. Clouds they never look poured. These do. Like you took a giant shovel full of baking soda or flour and just poured it. That's what these stupid ass clouds look like. Then of course, you got this. And I'm telling you, people think this is beautiful. They will sit there and stare at this and go, "Darling, caress my nasal passages. This is so romantic." I'm not kidding. It's just the sickest thing. This is not a real sunset, guys. Look at this. This is just poured. It didn't form out of moisture. Take a look at this. All of it is that. And they got little black hairballs that some cat hawked up. Just sad. Look at all around the moon is fallout. All of this is fallout. Anyway, I just had to share this with you. If I say anything else tonight, I'll share it with you also. All right? Take care, guys. Oh, that's natural. Oh, yeah. You can tell.